Hello, good afternoon, guys. Actually, good evening, guys. So this is Nagasmal Trader once again. Today, I'll just make a quick video of how my trades went, the hedging positions. So as you can see, I have two closed positions right now, and so this is the Nifty expiry trades. So I took these two positions at the hedging positions last week. So since today is the expiry of Nifty, as you can see, the market strike prices, the last traded prices are even below 1 rupee now. So yeah, let me just brief out a little bit. So for this trade, I sell off this position. I sold at 170. I sell off at 170, and for this one, the hedging positions, I purchased at 53. I buy at 53. So somehow I'm getting 147 in profit. So 147 into 25, it's coming up to 2,800 as kind of an average. So somehow 147 points is really a good trade to consider. That's what I'm getting on a weekly basis, like this one. So these days, why I'm like trading on just a minimal quantities, because I'm not comfortable enough yet for Nifty. Back then, I used to trade a bigger quantity with Bank Nifty, but since the Bank Nifty weekly expiry is no more, I'm trying to get myself into Nifty weekly Nifty trades. And so what I would suggest you guys also is instead of buying the options, it's better to sell it off, because there is the advantage. We have the advantage of time values, because eventually if the market is ranging in two categories or into predicted levels, then somehow on the expiry the market will definitely comes down to zero. So yeah, with that mindset, I do option selling these days. Of course, it requires more capital, but with just a minimal quantity, you can also do that with me. So as you can see, I just have a minimal capital in this account as of now. So just 31, actually, like just 30,000. So in just 30,000 in a week, if you are getting a profit of like 2.4 or 2.8, that's good enough for me, because rate of returns is way too good. Yeah, in some weeks we might face a loss, but it doesn't matter. In a month we have like 3 weeks, so somehow 4 weeks. So even if you lose 1 week trade, the next 3 weeks we might able to get a profit again. So the probability is much higher, I would say, and it's much safer, much even though the profit might not be up to our expectations, somehow on a stability or like on a stable consistency side, I would suggest option selling is much more stable to me, according to me. So that's how my trade is going on. And for Sensex as well, I'm actually like exploring a little bit further, not just Nifty but also on Sensex as well. So on Sensex, what I'm doing right now is I'm trading on a draft versions. So I took these 4 positions, the hedging positions, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Those 4 ticks I have already purchased it. For this one and these 2, I've sold it off. One at 790, the other one is 779. So the requirement for these positions would be 5.8 lakhs. So of course it requires more capital, okay guys, but I don't know if you guys are actually catching up with me, but for me, what I'm trying to do as of now is just try to sell off the options. So that would be my main strategy now. So yeah, for today we are having a loss of 700, but I am just hoping that it will actually give us a profit in the days to come. So yeah, that's the Sensex position. If these two actually if this trade also goes well, then that's when I think I will be considering trading on Sensex as well, probably next week. But yeah, for now it's just a tryout, so let's see. Yeah, I think that should be all for today's video. Let me also just brief out a little bit of the opening of the market today. See, as you can see, today in the morning the market had a flat off opening, with just one minimal red candle. The market actually shoots up. Okay, so from as you can see, there was a 150 point gap up. 150 point movements. So the whole day the market was actually going up and down, as you can see. So this is what the expiry looks like on a normal basis, because the market will try to eats up all the premiums. So yeah, that's how it is. And so yeah, I don't have to worry much about the movements in the market if I'm actually selling the options. Just in the case of purchasing or buying the options, then that's when I'll be so worried about the movements of the markets. But the difference between this option selling and option buying is, for option buying you can start with even 5k or even 10k, but for option selling, like I am doing right now, the minimal is just 30k. And so yeah, you guys can also start with me, because this year I'm trying to make it steady, because I'm trying new strategies for my account. So I'll start it steady, and if market give us good opportunities again, if my strategies is not giving me good signals, then that's when I'll increase my quantities. That's how it is. So yeah, let's see. For tomorrow I'll try to make a new position in Nifty again. Let's see. I'll give you guys an update even tomorrow. And what I'm thinking, or what I saw on the notification, is even on Saturday I think the market is going to open. I saw it somewhere earlier, but I don't know if it will show again. But anyway, yeah. So let's see. I will give you an update tomorrow as well with the positions I'm making. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much.